In this video, I'm going to show you how to save just one sheet from a workbook in Excel. Let's open an Excel document. This is a workbook that I have taken as an example, and this workbook has multiple sheets in it. Suppose I need to share sheet 1. If I share the whole document, the other sheets will also be shared with it, but I don't want to share the other sheets. To resolve this, right-click on sheet 1. In the pop-up menu, click on Move or Copy. In the To Book option, select New Book. Tick the Create a Copy option. Here, you can see that a workbook has opened with just one sheet. Save this sheet. This is the file with multiple sheets, and this is the file that we saved just now. If I open this, you can see that this workbook has only one sheet, which we saved separately.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.